They call it here the sponge docks because they have these boats. They are going out and they are bringing the sponges back over here. You know, sponges, spongaria. This is not the plastic sponges you find at Walmart. This is natural sponges, very good for you. Here is old boat, and it has some of these sponges hanging here. You can look at them. This is the natural sponges here. You see, this is natural sponge, not like Walmart. And then over here you find sponge bicycle. This is a bicycle. It's got sponges all over it. Look at it. And then it's got compass. You will not get lost. At one time over here, the big industry, it was sponge diving. Here they have historical marker for memory. John Kokoris, founder sponge diving industry. Today, the big industry is restaurants, gift shops, and parking. This was big sponge market. The boats bring in the sponges here and they trade them like New York Stock Exchange or Commodity Exchange. Buy low, sell high. Now it is shopping village. They have stores, restaurants, all kinds of things. Here they have this tirto. This is not real tirto. This is toy tirto for the kids. Also, they have this big shark hanging here. Sometimes the people, they come take pictures. They put their head in the mouth, taking funny picture. Now is like museum, old sponge boat, Aegean Isles. Sponge diving is dangerous. You can see it hit some damage. The old engine there, Superior diesel engine, 671 model. You can also see history here for this sponge boat. Come over here to read it or pause. You can read it from the screen. If you come over here, you can buy things at the shops. It's tourist stuff. You can eat at the restaurant. They have a lot of nice things. Over here is got Mama's Greek cuisine. You can come over here to eat. On the weekend, it's got live music. It's got belly dance. You know, talento. Now look at this. Here the main street for sponge docks is dodecanese. You will see this street. But also a side street, Athens. If you go, you can turn this corner and go down here is more things, Athens Street. And if you come, keep walking, Athens Street, you're gonna come down all the way to the end of it, National Bakery. This is the end of Sponge Docks area. After this, you return to main streets of Tarpon Springs, Florida, USA. Here is Agora Food Market. Here they got Greek products. Whatever you are looking for, you can come over here to check them out. Over here is the Chalkis Food Market. You can come over here, see if they got the Greek products you are looking for. Look at this picture. They got a lot of good stuff in there. Come check them out. Over here, right on the water, they got very good place, the limani. It's very good for souvlaki. You can come over here to the window and order. Έλα ρε Μάσορα. Καλά, βάλε μου 3 καλάμια γυρινό. Έγινε, θα τα πας εδώ, θα πας μαζί σου. Θα τα πάρω μαζί μου. Γεια σου, ευχαριστώ ρε. You can find over here deep sea fishing. They have these boats. You get on it, they take you out, and you're catching fish out of the ocean. You don't have to bring anything. They will give you all of the bait. They will give you all of the gear. You are ready to go. You can come over here, check them out. There is a few boats. Find out from the internets. They will tell you. Over here, you got Elas restaurant. You can come over here, get it to eat. And next door is Elas bakery. You know, Zacharoplastio. Let's take a look at it. Look at all this. Come over here, enjoy it. Get a coffee, get some of these desserts, pastries, enjoy yourself. Here it is, more deep sea fishing. This one, 85 to Georges. Look at this. It's a very nice boat. Also has pirate flag on it. But don't be scared about it. I've been in this boat a few times. It was very nice. We're catching fish, we're having good time. Here it is, Spongeorama Cruise Lines. You can go dolphin cruise. They are going out in the water, they are looking for dolphins, and they are taking you on a boat tour. Here is Spongorama. You see is free exhibit center. It's like museum. Come over here, you can learn from sponges. You can learn sponge diving. It's all very nice things. Sponge ducks have a lot of gift shops. This one over here, this one is boutique. It's called Antonia's. You can come over here, they got Greek imports. Good stuff coming from Greece. Two more good places for eating here. You have Dimitri's in the water. They call it because it's in the water. You can get seafood there, all kinds. And then over here is Mykonos. Magirion Mykonos, authentic Greek cookery. You can see over here is another deep sea fishing boat. You can come get more deep sea fishing. And if you didn't know about it, Tarpon Springs, Florida, sponge capital to the world. Now you know about it. Some of the boats here, Tarpon Springs sponge docks, is not for fishing. They are tour boats. You can get on this one. This one is Odysseus. You know, you will go, you will have adventure. They have it here next to this tiki hut. You will wait for the boat at the tiki hut. Guys playing music. Relax, refresh yourself, but be careful. There's manatees in the area. One time was a very good dog named Fatty. Was very small dog, but very fat dog, but was very good dog. Now he have this gift shop, Fatty's Place. Come over here, check him out. Over here near end of Sponge Docks, they have road circle. In this road circle, they have this very nice statue. It's got 4 girls around water fountain. You got one girl is sitting, she is looking at the fountain. You got another girl is raising her hand around the water fountain. The other 2 girls, one throw the ball up, the other one waiting to catch it, but there is no ball. This end of the Sponge Docks, you can see the Jolly Trolley is coming. This Jolly Trolley takes you all the way Clearwater Beach. And this is where he is starting, and this is where he is stopping. The beginning and end of his road. And over here, look at it, on this building, they have this good painting, sea monster. This giant octopus. It's very scary. Here you have another very good painting on the building. This one, Poseidon. He is over here, is a very angry sea, is blowing, the evil eye. And then you have a planet. You can see, not all of the boats in the water. Some of them are for repair. This pirate boat, they are fixed. It's going to be very nice when they finish it. Here we are, all the way down the end of the Sponge Docks. You will find over here, they have some seafood markets. It's very good. You can get fresh seafood. They bring in from the ocean. And then over here is very good seafood restaurant. It's not Greek, but it's very good. Rusty Bellies Waterfront Grill. Come over here, check it out sometime. You will enjoy the seafood. The other thing, look at this, very friendly lobster, Mr. Rusty. Come say hello to him.